I love Christ very much. And he must be enjoying with all this growth of infinity in the individual life. Because find the kingdom that lies within you, I think, has been the main teaching of Christ. And therefore, transcendental meditation, which takes the awareness to that level which Christ wanted every Christian to have, is only a friend of Christianity. TM is a friend of Christianity because it takes the awareness of the people to the field which Christ wanted everyone to enjoy. TM is a very great friend of Christianity. But those who do not yet know it, they'll know it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Knowledge of TM and its practice is a universal principle and universal practice. No matter to what religion one belongs. Every man has to be a fully developed man. Fully developed man. And if a man is not fully developed, if his individuality has not come on the level of infinity, universality, then that man cannot be a successful man or a good religious man. He will not be a fulfilled man. And therefore, our movement desires the people of all religions to meditate and become graceful members of their religion. Undeveloped man will always be a drag to any society, to any religion. A fully developed man of pure consciousness will live religious life spontaneously, without effort. So, I think Christianity also, as any other religion does, want all the people to enjoy the grace of God, enjoy the kingdom of heaven within. And with transcendental meditation, pure consciousness grows very quickly. Pure consciousness, conscientia pura. It grows very automatically. And only in pure consciousness can a man live real, good, successful, religious life. If pure consciousness is not developed, one cannot contrive religion in one's life. Religion cannot be forced in one's life. It can only be lived automatically, spontaneously. And therefore, that is the reason why all good Christians start to meditate the moment they hear transcendental meditation will bring and develop very quickly pure consciousness. They all take it. See, all these countries, Spain and all the South American countries, they are all deeply Catholic countries. The population is basically Catholic. And there are many, many centers, and teachers of transcendental meditation are increasing in all those countries. Many people, when they start to meditate, immediately they begin to feel, they develop insight into their own religion. They become more deeply religious. And therefore, TM is a friend to all religions. And it's a surprise to hear how people, those who do not know what this TM is, they, in ignorance people may say anything, but those who begin to know it begin to enjoy it. Wherever people have come to know about transcendental meditation, the press has brought out very good articles. See, this summer we were in the States. Church World is a paper of Catholic youth in the state of Maine in the United States. They wrote 4 beautiful articles, and then all the press people were initiated. And the chief editor of that paper was leading a youth group of Catholics. He advocated in his paper that all the youth should immediately start to meditate in order to release stress and strain in their life. And then he said, this practice will make real, good, devout Christians. And the society will be proud of those fully developed Christians. This should relieve the fear of all the people who are religious and who are on the way to God realization.